Hello everyone. Are you struggling with the dreaded MetaMask Internal JSON-RPC error, transaction error? It's a common problem, but don't worry, we'll break down what it means and how to fix it. This video will give you practical solutions to get your transactions working again. First, let's understand what this error actually indicates. It essentially means that something went wrong during the communication between your MetaMask wallet and the blockchain network you're trying to interact with. The error is like a broken telephone line preventing your transaction from processing. 1. Insufficient gas. The most frequent cause is not having enough gas to cover the transaction fee. Gas is like fuel for your transaction, and if you don't provide enough, it won't go through. MetaMask usually estimates gas, but sometimes the estimate is too low, especially during periods of high network congestion. To fix this, manually increase the gas limit before submitting the transaction. A good starting point is to increase the gas limit by 20 to 30% more than the suggested amount. 2. Network congestion. The blockchain network, like Ethereum, can become congested, similar to a traffic jam. When many people are trying to transact simultaneously, the network slows down, and your transaction might fail. Patience is key here. Try submitting the transaction again later when the network is less busy. You can also check websites that monitor gas prices to see when they're lower, suggesting less network congestion. 3. Incorrect nonce. Each transaction has a unique number called a nonce. This number ensures that transactions are processed in the correct order. If your nonce is incorrect, the network will reject the transaction. This can happen if you have pending transactions that haven't gone through yet. To resolve this, you can try resetting your MetaMask account. Be careful, this removes all your transaction history, so ensure you have your seed phrase backed up. Another approach is to send a transaction to yourself with the correct nonce value. This can sometimes clear the backlog. For contract issues, sometimes the smart contract you're interacting with has a problem. This could be a bug in the contract code or an issue with the contract state. If you suspect this is the case, check the project's documentation or contact the project developers. The problem might not be on your end at all. 5. MetaMask issues or outdated version. There's a chance that the issue lies with MetaMask itself. Make sure you have the latest version of the MetaMask extension installed. Outdated versions can sometimes have bugs that cause transaction errors. Also, try clearing your MetaMask cache. This can resolve conflicts and refresh the wallet state. Finally, consider using a different browser or device to see if the problem persists. This helps isolate whether the issue is specific to your current setup. Troubleshooting the MetaMask Internal JSON-RPC error, transaction error, can be frustrating, but by systematically addressing these potential causes, you can increase your chances of successfully completing your transactions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and enable us to make more content like this. Consider leaving a comment below, sharing your experiences with this error or other solutions you may have found. Also, check out the links in the description for more resources on MetaMask and blockchain technology. Your support is highly appreciated.